Hi guys, let's talk about taking care of our Norwex. If we take care of our Norwex, it's actually going to last us several years. So really there's three main steps. You're going to rinse daily, wash weekly, and deep clean every few months. Okay, so let's talk about rinsing daily. So let's say I found lots of messes and I need to go around my house cleaning the surfaces, which is pretty much every day. For this video, we're gonna focus on the Enviro cloth, but really the care is the same for all of them. So to get this ready to work, we are going to get the cloth wet. So when I first get this wet, I like to use cold water. So cold water tightens the fibers. And we want those nice and tight, get those ready to work. So I'm gonna wring it out so it's not dripping. Then we're gonna go around, we're gonna clean all the surfaces, the counter, fixtures, just anything in the house that needs wiped up, you're gonna grab your Enviro cloth. Now for anything that's shiny, I follow behind the Enviro cloth with the dry window cloth. This is my polishing cloth. So I like to fold my cloth in half, and here's why. So when you have your cloth, it's a pretty big space, right? When you use it, you want to use this flat against the surface. That is what gives you the ability to pick up 99% of bacteria. Once this side gets dirty, I'll flip it around, I'll use the other side. Once that side gets dirty, I'll flip it inside out, and so on and so forth. Now let's say I'm done cleaning my house. I want to rinse this out. When I rinse out the microfiber, I want to use hot water. Hot water expands the fibers and it helps to let go of everything that I've collected. So I'm going to use the hot water, and while I'm rinsing it, you're going to press it, agitate it, and then wring it out. And you're done doing that when the water runs clear. I might want to use a little bit extra to rinse it out, and I will either use the Norwex dish liquid, or a great hack is I'll put a little bit of the Norwex laundry detergent in a shaker bottle. And so that when I do that rinse stage, I'm actually just sprinkling that detergent right on the cloth so that it helps me release the things that I've collected. Now, once you've rinsed your cloth out, you're going to wring it out really well and hang it to dry. Most Norwex cloths have silver in them. Silver is in the cloths to self-purify the cloth. So if I would have picked up a lot of bacteria and it's still in the cloth, the silver will destroy it. The silver also prevents mold, mildew, any bacterial growth. So I want to hang that to dry. And by the way, the hang tags also tell you what they are. So I'll just find a spot and hang that to dry. As the cloth is drying, the silver does its job. And then the cloth is ready to use again and again and again. Now, every week, I want to wash my cloths in the washing machine. Now, you can wash your Norwex with other non-linty items. Kids' school pants, t-shirts, sheets. Things I would never wash with my Norwex is linty items. Sweatshirts, sports socks, things like that. Because those little fibers don't just pick up bacteria, they're gonna pick up any lint. That's why you wanna wash it with lint-free items. Or if you have a lot of Norwex, just do a load by itself. A couple important tips when washing your Norwex. Never use bleach, never use fabric softener, and I like to wash my Norwex on hot. Hot water expands the fibers, helps let everything go. You also wanna wash your Norwex with a filler and a fragrance-free laundry detergent. If you're using a laundry detergent that has lots of chemicals in it and fillers, it can actually clog the fibers up over time and they'll be less effective. I recommend any of the Norwex laundry detergents, Ultra Power Plus, Powerzyme, which is my personal favorite. It has enzymes in it, great for stains and smells on all your laundry. The liquid laundry detergent that comes in both unscented and lavender. And then laundry detergent strips, which are fantastic. It's a waterless strip. You just throw that in the washer with your Norwex or any of your laundry. So we're going to wash our Norwex on hot. We'll let it run the full cycle, and then we're going to throw it in the dryer. Now, Norwex cloths really work hard. Once you start using them, you'll notice that you can clean just about everything with your Norwex cloths. Since they do work hard, we want to give them a little bit of a spa day every couple months to help deep clean them. That's where this product comes in. This is the Norwex Microfiber Deep Cleaner. I'm going to show you how to use this every 3 months, maybe sooner if all you're using is your Norwex and you're using them a lot. When I deep clean my Norwex, I'm gonna get a bucket or a bowl. You could even use a utility sink. I'm gonna put all of my Norwex in there. I like to use hot water anytime I'm cleaning my Norwex. I'm just gonna fill this up just so it covers the cloth. Now I'm gonna make sure all my cloths are saturated, which they are, and I'm gonna add the microfiber deep cleaner. So you wanna use 4 teaspoons of this per deep soak cycle, about 4 teaspoons to a gallon of water, and that's what I have in here. So you can either use a measuring spoon, or you can use the cap right on the deep cleaner bottle. This is about 1 teaspoon. So we're gonna put 4 teaspoons of product in here. We're gonna let these soak anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes. Okay, so we have our deep cleaner in here. While they're deep cleaning, I will typically come over to the bowl or the utility sink, and I'll just kind of push the cloths around just to make sure that deep cleaner gets fully absorbed. And what you will notice very quickly is the water will start to turn. The longer it's been since you deep cleaned your cloths, the dirtier it's going to be. Now, something about the microfiber deep cleaner is that it has 4 enzymes in it, and enzymes break down the stain and odor causing molecules. So you're typically not going to see dark water, and that's actually the enzymes doing the job. They are physically breaking things down. So you're not going to see a lot of residue, but you will see some. After your cloths have soaked for 30 to 60 minutes, you're going to drain them, and then you're going to rinse the cloths out. So I'm just going to give them a good rinse, and I will use warm water to make sure that any of that lingering residue is coming out. After I've rinsed out all my cloths, now I'm going to run them through a cycle. I'm going to put them in the washer, and we are going to run them on a hot cycle with any of the Norwex laundry detergents. Today, I'm going to use Powerzyme. I'm just going to use the bag recommendations for my size load, and that will be plenty. You do not need to add the microfiber deep cleaner to your wash. You can if you want to, but it's really not necessary when you're deep soaking them in the tub. Once the cloths are done, I'm going to throw them in the dryer, and they will have finished their spa day. So rinse daily, wash weekly, and deep clean with your microfiber deep cleaner every few months. More frequently if you're using them often, maybe a little bit less frequently if you're just using them occasionally. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you have a great day.